Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike. We all know that a healthy diet is key for a healthy life, but did you know that certain foods can actually show your heart some extra love? That's right. We're talking about the power of fruits. In this video, we're diving deep into the juicy world of heart-healthy fruits. We'll uncover the superpowers hidden within each bite, and how they can help you maintain a healthy heart for years to come. So, whether you're a fruit fanatic or just looking to add more healthy options to your diet, stick around. We're about to unlock a world of flavor and wellness that your heart will thank you for. First up, we have the mighty blueberry. These little guys are packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals can damage our cells and contribute to heart disease, so you can think of antioxidants like little bodyguards protecting your heart. But wait, there's more. Blueberries are also known to help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Studies have shown that regularly consuming blueberries can lead to significant improvements in blood pressure levels. So, how can you incorporate more of these blue wonders into your diet? It's easy. Add them to your morning yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just grab a handful for a quick and healthy snack. Trust me, your heart will thank you. Next, we're heading to the citrus aisle for a burst of sunshine with oranges. These juicy fruits are well known for their high vitamin C content, but did you know they also work wonders for your heart? Oranges contain a special type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up cholesterol and helping your body get rid of it. This can lead to lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind of cholesterol that can build up in your arteries. Not only that, but oranges are also packed with potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. By keeping your blood pressure in check, you're reducing the strain on your heart and blood vessels. So go ahead, enjoy an orange or two every day. Now let's talk about avocados, the rock star of healthy fats. You might be surprised to see avocados on a list of heart-healthy fruits, but they deserve a top spot. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fat that can actually improve your cholesterol levels. These healthy fats help lower LDL cholesterol while boosting HDL cholesterol, the good kind that acts like a garbage truck, picking up excess cholesterol from your arteries and carrying it to your liver for disposal. And if that wasn't enough, avocados are also a great source of potassium, which we already know is essential for healthy blood pressure regulation. Add some avocado to your salads, sandwiches, or enjoy it as a delicious guacamole. Remember that old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out there's a lot of truth to it, especially when it comes to your heart health. Apples are an excellent source of fiber, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in heart health. The type of fiber found in apples, called soluble fiber, helps lower cholesterol levels by binding to it in your digestive system and preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This can help keep your arteries clear and reduce your risk of heart disease, but that's not all. Apples are also packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage. So go ahead, grab a crunchy apple for a snack or add some apple slices to your oatmeal or yogurt. Finally, let's talk about pomegranates, a fruit that's been prized for its health benefits for centuries. Pomegranates are known for their vibrant red seeds, which are packed with antioxidants even more than blueberries and green tea. These potent antioxidants help protect your blood vessels from damage, reducing inflammation and promoting healthy blood flow. This is crucial for heart health, as good blood flow ensures that your heart receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function properly. Pomegranates have also been shown to help lower blood pressure, another important factor in maintaining a healthy heart. So enjoy a handful of pomegranate seeds as a snack, sprinkle them on your salads, or enjoy a glass of 100% pomegranate juice. So there you have it, 5 fantastic fruits that can help keep your heart happy and healthy. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet is key for optimal health. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Add these fruits to your smoothies, yogurt bowls, salads, or just enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Your heart will thank you for it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips and tricks. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy,